Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wiley. Today we're out on the lake checking out a 2025 Harris Solstice 250. So this is an awesome offering by Harris. You can see with 25 feet, we've got this nice, large, spacious bow. Big, long loungers, you can fit plenty of people up here. And an awesome feature of the Solstice are these nice big bolsters that keep you in place in these loungers while the boat's underway. Adds for a super comfortable ride to this boat here. Up under these large loungers, you've got some huge storage compartments. And that's under each of these seats up here in the bow. And on either side, you've got 4 cup holders as well as plug-ins for all your entertainment needs. Each side does have a drop armrest with a cup holder on there as well. Make sure the person leaning on this back here is super comfortable and catered to. Down here, we've got our nice, spacious in-floor storage. You see that drops right in your center tune, big enough to fit full skis, wakeboards, tubes, any kind of toys you got out there with you while you're on the water. Moving back a little bit, we've got your dedicated cover storage under this hatch here. And then we'll take a look at our captain's helm real quick. So you can see you got this raised helm on there, so you got a platform underneath your captain's chair. Really gives you a great view of the water, looking over the bow there. And you got these nice, large Simrad screens, able to make your own split, use a chart plotter, engine management, anything you need to know about the boat while it is underway. We've also got these 2 super nice captain's chairs. They're full swivel, they lean back and forth, and they've got adjustable armrests as well. You can see we're getting plenty of shade from our bimini on top of our nice sport tower here. It's a textured black powder coat. It's a super sleek look for this boat here. Move back on a little bit. You can see back here, we've got our knobs so you can loosen these and drop that tower down if you need to store the boat or maybe go under a tight bridge clearance. Looking over here, you can see our nice large lounger that we have towards the aft of the boat here. So this big lounger does have 3 positions, so you can face forward like it is now, or you can rock it to face back, or you hit this trigger here and you're able to drop it into this nice big sun pad where you can lay out, suntan, hang out, maybe the sandbar or something, whatever you're looking to do while you're hanging out on the back here while you're on the water. Move on back a little bit more. You can see we got this beautiful stainless tow bar right on top of our 300 horsepower Mercury Verado outboard. Tons of power behind this boat if you're looking to pull a skier, a tube, or maybe just go fast from time to time. Got a lot of power behind you there. Also on this Solstice here, you've got your safety chains and your fender storage. So it gives you a good spot to stow your fenders once you're underway, and these chains allow you to ride on the back facing aft while the boat is underway. Another awesome feature of the transom back here is this submersible swim deck from Harris here. So that drops down. You can use it as a seat or an alternative to climbing on the boat instead of the ladder over there. It's a little bit easier for small kids. You're able to kind of climb up with your knees and pull yourself up onto the boat. Awesome feature that Harris provides on this boat here. If you guys got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wiley, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101, and you guys speak to me, Blake Holbrooks.